guess what, guys? This might this might have been a really good discovery and could really help out my channel. But watch this. Look, I'm in Gorilla Tag. I mean, I know I've uploaded a Gorilla Tag video before, but I mean, that was only like once. I mean, and now I finally found a decent way to bring my VR recordings to my channel. So you're gonna be seeing me on VR. You're gonna see VR content on my channel a bit more. So I hope you enjoy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. So